Do you want to focus more on creating content and less on managing the nitty-gritty details of your YouTube channel? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give someone editor access to your channel so you can share the workload without losing control. I'm Dina Colada, and I've been managing my own YouTube channel for way too long, and trust me, having the right team on board is going to help make all the difference. So let's dive in and how you can empower your team without giving away the keys to the castle. Whether you're a growing YouTuber or an established brand, there comes a time when you need a helping hand to keep things running smoothly. And giving someone editor access to your YouTube channel is the perfect solution. Managing every little detail from uploads to comments can be overwhelming. You probably don't want to spend hours each day tweaking thumbnails and organizing playlists when you could be brainstorming your next big video, right? But handing over full control of your YouTube channel, that sounds risky. You don't want someone accidentally deleting videos or changing your branding. That's why the editor role is perfect. It gives your team members the tools they need without handing them the keys to the kingdom. I'm just getting started delegating my tasks on my YouTube channel, and I was a little bit scared too because I'm a bit of a control freak. But I know now that I have other people that can update thumbnails and add to the descriptions, focus on the playlist, I can finally start creating content so my channel can skyrocket. I find myself doing tasks that I don't need to do, and it holds me back in my business. So now I'm ready to let it go. So how do you do it? Let me walk you through the exact steps to give someone editor access without compromising your control over the channel. So first, we're going to head over to YouTube Studio. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to YouTube, and in the upper right hand corner in your profile picture, you're going to click on that and scroll down to YouTube Studio. Now this is not a brand account, this is my account, so that's what this tutorial is for. It's super easy. So then you're going to scroll over to the left-hand sidebar and click on to Settings. After that, you're going to scroll on the left sidebar here in this pop-up window that says Permissions. And right here it says when you give permissions on your channel, they can upload, comment, and take public actions. They can also view private or hidden content. I'm going to go ahead and click Invite and put my assistant's email in here. And this is where you can choose how much power you want to give the person to your channel. A manager can view everything, manage permissions, go live, create, edit, and delete content. So you want to definitely have somebody that you trust before you send them in there with access to your channel. But the good news is you can delete somebody almost instantly if somebody causes any problems. An editor can go live and create and edit content, but they can't manage permissions or delete content. So that could be your job until you really trust someone. There's also an editor limited feature, and they can't view revenue data. So if you are monetizing your channel and you don't want people to know how much you're making, then you want to give them the limited editor access. You can also choose a subtitle editor. They can edit and remove subtitles, but they can't view anything else in the back end. A viewer can view everything, but they can't erase or delete anything. A viewer, that's what everybody here is. So that's all you have to do. And I'm going to actually give my virtual assistant a limited editor access. And then you put your assistant's email right there. Okay, so after you pop in that email address, you're going to click the Done button, and then your person that's going to be your editor is going to get an invitation, and then they'll have access to your YouTube channel. And then click Save. And to verify, then you'll need to verify that it's you to keep our account safe here on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with the passkey here. All right, we're all set. Having a team member optimizing your tags and descriptions while you're already planning your next big piece of content. It's pretty awesome, right? That's what happens when you start to delegate tasks. I know what you're thinking. Well, what if they mess up my channel? Don't worry, because the limited editors don't have access to your revenue data. They can't delete videos or see your account settings. It's a win-win. By giving someone editor access to your YouTube channel, you can take your channel from struggling, like me, to keep up with thriving, consistent uploads that's top-notch quality. By giving someone editor access, you can take your channel from a struggling solopreneur, somebody that actually delegates, has authority, and accepts help from other people. Imagine a fully managed YouTube channel where you can focus on content creation and everything else just happens like clockwork. You don't have to schedule things, you don't have to add descriptions, you don't have to add cards, you don't have to do all of the grunt work. You don't have to be a YouTube pro to delegate. With just a few clicks, you can give limited editor access and change the game for your channel. See, no stress, no risk. You can rest easy knowing your channel is still safe, but you have an extra pair of hands to help out. With someone else handling the editing and uploads, you'll have more time to focus on what really matters: your creativity, your community, and growing your audience. Trust me, successful YouTubers rarely work alone. By leveraging the editor access feature, you're setting yourself up. Trust me, successful YouTubers rarely work alone. By leveraging the editor access feature, you're setting yourself up for faster growth in a more balanced workload. Giving editor access on YouTube is a huge time saver. Instead of juggling 10 tasks at once, you can focus on what you do best: creating amazing content. Imagine spending your time creating viral videos while someone else handles the nitty-gritty details. That's what happens when you give somebody editor access to your YouTube channel. The best part of delegating work on your YouTube channel, and the best part of giving someone access as an editor to your channel, is they can't delete your videos or access sensitive data when you give them the limited editor role. So you're always in control. Quick tip: if something changes or you need to take back control or somebody quits working with you, you can always remove editor access just as easily. Head back to YouTube, YouTube Studio, Settings, Permissions, and click on the three dots next to their name and hit remove. Done. It's that simple. Pro tip: have your editor focus on optimizing video titles and descriptions based on keywords. I personally like to use TubeBuddy. It's a quick way to boost your SEO rankings without doing the legwork yourself. If you're serious about growing your channel, now is the time to act and delegate some of your tasks so you can scale faster. Waiting too long could mean falling behind your competition. A study of Fortune 500 CEOs found that those with higher levels of delegation achieved a 3-year growth rate of 1,751%, which was 112 percentage points above their peers who were less inclined to delegate. Now, while this fact isn't specific to YouTube, it suggests that effective delegation can significantly impact business growth. Now, when you do delegate tasks to your team or to your assistant, it's crucial to provide context and explain why the task is important. For YouTube creators, this could mean ensuring team members understand the channel's goals, strategies, and potentially leading to better content and growth. By the way, I'm offering a free custom GPT that I created for task management for people that have AD. So if you want that free GPT, leave a comment below and say, "Give me the GPT." Are you ready to level up? Go ahead and get started with editor access today. And let me know in the comments how you plan to grow your channel with your new editor. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips. And I'll see you in the next video.